Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today I'm going to explain how withdrawing money from CoinMarketCap actually works. First, open the CoinMarketCap app. It's important to know that CoinMarketCap is only a crypto portfolio tracker. This means you can't directly withdraw money from it. Any withdrawals have to be done from the wallet or exchange where your crypto is stored. To track everything properly, tap on Portfolio at the bottom. Here, you'll see options to connect a wallet, add transactions manually, or connect your Binance account. If you've withdrawn funds from an exchange like Kraken, you can connect your wallet by entering the wallet address, giving it a name, toggling it as your own portfolio if needed, and then clicking Create Connection. If you've already made a withdrawal and just want to track it, tap Add Transaction manually. Choose the cryptocurrency, select Sell, enter the amount you sold, and then add the transaction. This won't move real money. It simply updates your portfolio, so you can see how much you've withdrawn for tracking purposes. That's how it works. I hope this clears things up. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe to One More Guru. I'll see you next time.